How to change language on Duolingo app. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Logging and Delete, and in today's video we will be exploring on how to change language course on the Duolingo app and what are the changes that you will see on your app after you change the language. This is perfect for those looking to brush up on a new language they already know or dive into learning a new one. So let's get started. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. Then tap on the language course option on the top left corner. Here you will see your current language course displayed at the top. To change this, simply tap on the flag icon next to your current language course. Duolingo will then present you with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find the language you are interested in learning or switching to. Once you have found your desired language, tap onto it. Duolingo might prompt you with a message asking if you're sure about changing your language course. Just simply confirm your choice. After selecting your new language, you will be taken to the course introduction or placement test, depending on your familiarity with the language. This helps Duolingo tailor the lesson to your skill level. Go back on the home page and then click on the flag icon again. You will see the extra course that you have just added. There will also be some changes at the bottom line of your screen. Duolingo offers a wide range of lessons covering vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking skills. It also allows users to track their process, set goals, and complete with friends. And that's it. You have successfully changed your language course on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.